Hey, this is Tech&More. You're welcome. Please, in this video we are going to look at how to turn on the dark theme on your desktop computer. Mind you, this is Windows 11, but then I'm sure this can be of use to you if you are using other versions of Windows. So let's shoot. So you see this, yes, that is the start button. Better still, you can call it the Windows button. So we select this, and what do we want? We want to open our settings. We want to open settings on our desktop. So let's click it, and this is my settings. But hey, don't worry if you can't find yours here. Just, you see this search bar? Yes, just click on it and then type whatever that you are looking for. So in our case, we will type settings. So settings, when we start typing, you see the options available. So we see our settings here. You can select it from here. You can open our settings from here. You can do it from here, or better still, we can do it from here. So let me just click on this open for our settings UI to open. Yes, so this is our settings interface, and we want to personalize our computer. So we select this personalization option. We click on it, and then we select colors. You see background colors, themes, and the likes. So we select this, which is the colors. We select it, or we click on it and choose your mode. So this is what we want. This is what we are looking for. So currently our mode is set to light, like you can see. This is it. So if you want to change it, we just click on it, and you see the options available: light, dark, and custom. So we just select dark because we want the dark mode or the dark theme. So we click on it, and then immediately we see that everything changed. Please notice the changes that will take place. Dark is selected, and hey, in a matter of seconds, I mean just 1 second or so, everything is changed. So we have our dark theme, and we're good to go. Thanks very much for watching.